Wait, how do you open this again? Oh, I just sprayed my face. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizette. For those of you who are new here, this channel is all about you and what you like and the reviews and products that you would like me to try out just before you invest your money in them. So I want to make this channel all about you, and on this channel I review different products such as contact lenses, beauty products, foundations, concealers, everything, the works. And for those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for being a part of my family, and let's continue to help our YouTube family to grow. So today I'm going to be talking about perfumes. Now, which girl in the world doesn't like perfumes? No, I'm sure. All of us love perfumes and all of us love to smell good. So this company called Scentbird reached out to me and asked me to review some of their perfumes. So of course I said yes, because I love perfumes. And so they sent me one. They sent me this complimentary one that I'm going to show you guys and talk more about it and let you know about the company and why you guys should check them out right after you watch this video. So Scentbird is, let me read to you what's on their website. Scentbird is about the fun and magic of fragrance. We designed Scentbird for the pickiest girl or boy to let them try luxury perfumes before buying them. And then you get a 30-day supply and you can try many different fragrances. I think they have over 14,000 different fragrances, maybe more. And they're just $14.95 a month. So the reason they started this company is because, born out of frustration with the perfume graveyard, expensive designer perfumes collecting dust in your dresser or cabinet, Scentbird was created to provide an alternative that is both practical and exciting. Now, I've heard about them. I've heard of other YouTubers who have used their products and services and would totally tell everyone to go and try out perfumes. Now, I love the idea because instead of, you know, when you go shopping for a perfume, if you've ever been shopping for a perfume, which I'm sure you have, there's so many different ones to try. And then if you buy a big bottle, I mean, the big bottle is good, don't get me wrong, but it can be expensive and you have to use up, you know, that whole bottle. And then you just stuck with a whole bunch of different bottles of perfumes, which can be good, I guess, but why not just try one for 30 days and the bottles are small, and then see whether you want to try that this month or try something else next month, and then decide whether you want to buy the full size. So it's like you're trying it before you really decide to invest in it, which I love. Who doesn't love to try something and sample it out before you invest in it? So let's get into the way that the Scentbird perfume came and talk more about it. So it came in a box, well, not a box, but this bag right here is from Scentbird. They sent it to me, and it came in this little black carrying case, which is cute. It says Scentbird New York right here, and then you open it up. It looks like this. I'll also include clips of how it looks, and then you twist it up, and there's the perfume. There's the nozzle, which I conveniently sprayed on myself at the start of this video. And then you just, like that. And you spray it on yourself. And the way you see how much you have left, which I think is so cool, is you open this up. And that's how you see how much you have left. As you can see, I have a lot of this left. Now, the perfume that I decided to try as my sample one that they sent me, I'm gonna put the name of it right here because I don't want YouTube to demonetize my video because of the name of the perfume, so I'm gonna put it right here. This is a very strong fragrance, but I've used it before. I got a sample of it in the mail. You know, like sometimes when magazines send samples, and I absolutely loved it. So when Scentbird reached out to me, I was like, yes, I want that one. I checked on their website and saw that they had it. So I was super excited, and I have my sample of it. And it's very, very strong. So just know if you're gonna get this particular perfume, It's very, 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 very strong. So you just need about 2 dabs, maybe one right here, 2 sprays, one right here and maybe one on your body, and that's it. Do not spray more. People will smell you probably like way down the block if you use more. So just keep in mind, if you're getting this scent, that it is very, very strong. I want to try all the other scents. I saw like a DKNY one and a Dolce & Gabbana one that I want to try. So maybe I'll get those. I also signed up for the subscription service, so it's $14.95 a month. And then they ship you a new one out every month, and you select which one you want to try. So I'm gonna try those also out and let you know how those scents are. This scent right here for this perfume that I have, it's very strong and it's very like, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's not like a musk fragrance, but it's a really nice, it's a little floral, but it's a strong floral. So just keep that in mind. If you're like, have sensitivity to anything, I have allergies, so I have to be careful, you know, how much I spray, but that's the good thing about it. But anyways, I love it. It's great. And I also love, let me tell you, when you're traveling, you know, when you go traveling and you have to have a certain amount of size for travel bottles, like if you have a big perfume, you can't bring that with you on the plane. The TSA agents are just gonna stop you right there at the airport and ask you to throw it away. So I love this because look how small it is, and you just throw it in the pouch, and you just throw it in your luggage, and you're just good to go. I love that. I love that about it. And you just be on vacation, and you know, when you get ready and you want to smell good, just spray, spray, spray. You're all good. You're set. So I also love that this is perfect. I mean, perfect for traveling. And I love the case. It's so sleek and cute and chic. I love it. So, I mean, I just love it overall, and I love it for traveling. It's so travel friendly. I love the whole concept of it, and I also love the fact that this perfume, I'm gonna try all the perfumes that they have. Well, maybe not all of them, but you know what I mean. I wanna try as many as I can, and they're great. And you can always, I believe they say you can something about this where you can fill it, you can reuse this, or you could switch this out for another one. But I love it. So go check them out. It's called Scentbird New York. Go check them out after you see this video, and let me know in the comment section below, what are your favorite fragrances, like of all time? What is your favorite one? So also don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and thank you so much for watching. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys within the next few weeks. I am filming them and getting them out to you guys. So thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget to become part of my lovely family and drop me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, honey, I'm done. Honey? Pumpkin? Oh.